Good day जग where dreams decay. Layla smile stole my heart away. Wander alone in the scorching sand, where love writes its own command. Maynun cries in the moonlit night, for a love that's pure and bright. Layla's voice a whispers true, in the shadow of the blazing dune. Love like desert wind blows strong but thin. Layla Maynun in the tale worn thin. In secret corners the love blooms, under skies of endless dunes, fighting fate with hearts so true, locked in love's eternal zoo. Oh Layla, your soft gentle grace haunts the nomad's empty space. Maynun's tears a river flows where the desert flower grows. Love like desert wind blows. Love like desert wind blows strong but thin.